All right. Round 4 final. Here's the other part of it before. So like this is the second annual Minnesota Sportsman Show. I'm at Canterbury. We have a casino here as well. Dog track. It's kind of cool. Same kind of stuff from last year. Cruise around over here. Lots of fun stuff. I kind of like it. Yeah. People are like, they're poaching and stuff. Of course, people always steal stuff. You can never just, they always cut heads off of stuff when they find it. Roadkill.
In the middle.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. So you got all this kind of cool stuff. My grandfather used to make all kinds of stuff. That's cool. He'd like that. I like it.
We hear the snap, me and him, and I turn around, and the guy set it down, he's all embarrassed.
Love all the old lures. Nice collection. That big, oh my goodness. It's a big dog. I wanted my grandfather made for me. Is that Bud Grant? I think it is. That's Bud Grant. Yep. Fish. I like that. It's kind of very interesting. Look at all this old. This is really. I was. He's here every year, same spot. Well, back-to-back years. All the old stuff. The old days, man. I like all that stuff. All the old weapons.
Best display at the whole show.
I love it, man.
Yeah.
This is like a collection of the lifetime right here. A lot of people probably don't care, but I think it's very interesting, all this stuff. I love history. All these old lures that are like handmade. So
You go through here on
yep,
your way back.
I did already.
Okay,
Thanks. Yep. It's more of a small area over here, but I mean, I bought some of that guy's stuff last year. Yep. Beanies. Oh. This is new. Yep, I bought some of this stuff last year. I bought last year. It was very good. Loved it. Yep. Loved it. It was very, very good.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Minnesota Sportsman Show. Visitors begin at 2 p.m. today.
Uh-oh.
This charter captain Joe Henry.
You're gonna get, what's this?
That's baklava. It's a Greek dessert.
Oh my goodness. I've just gained 10 pounds looking at that stuff. How can you sit?
Yeah, I've got diabetes by the
I have type 2 too as well. But, oh, I'd be dead. I'd be 300 pounds. Looks good.
It's tough.
Oh my God. Look, what's this?
That's a fry pie. It has a fruit filling inside of it.
Oh my goodness. That looks good.
They are good. Raspberry lemon's my favorite.
How much are they?
$6.
Okay. Maybe on the way out. Oh my goodness. Oh, well. Little clothing, huh?
Yep, this is my clothing company. I named it after my dog.
Mm-hmm. Name is Goose.
Goose, yep. He's our CEO mascot and our most difficult employee.
All right. More tackle. Look at that. Coyote hat. Coyote. Oh my goodness. These gloves. Oh my god. Whoa. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Red squirrel. Chipmunk. Black squirrel. Baby beaver. Great. Weasel. Very nice. So I like all this homemade stuff. I like that. That's nice. I like that. Very nice. I like that. Very nice. That's cool. Very nice. I like it. So can you buy this online or what?
Yes.
Here you guys go. Here. Well, I love homemade stuff. Good job. Looks really nice. I love it. My brother was alive. He'd love that one right up there.
They are.
He loves that. I like it. My father-in-law was alive. He'd like that one. My brother-in-law's blind and he works with wood. Makes stuff too. So.
Awesome.
All kinds of fun little wood stuff here. A raffle.
It's for raffle tickets for ALF here. Yep. Win the Ranger raffle.
Oh yeah, $10.
4 weeks from today we draw. All goes to ALF.
Cool. Nice.
We also got a $50 gun calendar. It's got 50 Rugers, $500 gas price.
Okay. When's the big drawing?
That one's February 13th.
All right.
Like I said, 4 weeks literally from today.
All right. On the way back, I got lucky, won $300 playing pull tab, so I'll throw $10 at you when I get back.
Perfect.
When I get back, all right?
Sounds good, thank you.
All right.
They want canoe guys because they party while canoeing, so.
Hello. I love homemade stuff.
Great.
I love it.
All painted on canvas.
Nice. Very nice. Something different than a machine. Very nice. My wife makes baby blankets, so
Okay. Very nice.
keep it go to work. Yeah. So this like you sit on this or something or what?
Yeah. Yeah, so it turns into a chair.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
Multi-purpose.
I can demonstrate it for you if you want.
Sure, go ahead.
Goes to the cool stool. It's a backpack cooler. Turns into a chair. How this works is this just slides up, locks in, and the back comes off. So there's the weight support belt on the backpack. That slides on, and you put that in, and that ends up being the back to your chair. So
Huh.
you got your cooler as well. Holds ice up to
Oh,
2
yeah.
days. You use it in a bait bucket. Can hold all the accessories, fishing boxes. I got shotgun shells, other stuff in that, but
Nice.
everything you need. Nothing
Calls
you
right there. KUL stool right there, you guys. Perfect.
don't. Cool stool. Yeah.
All right. Cool.
You do online stuff or?
On YouTube. I'll put it on YouTube.
Okay. All
Yeah.
right. Right on.
All right. Perfect. Thank
Yeah.
you. How much they cost?
So we're 120 online, $100 here.
That's cheap.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. So I'll give you the card
All right.
if you want to.
All right. No problem.
What's the name of your site then?
Cowport Adventures. COWPOT. Cowport Adventures.
COWP.
Cowport Adventures.
Okay.
It'll be on YouTube in about 3-4 days.
Okay.
So,
Sounds good. I'll
all right.
check it out.
All right. Thanks.
You know what Dirt Monkey is?
What?
Dirt Monkey?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he did one, I don't know, ice fishing show or whatever. It's got like 1 million views.
Okay.
That guy's-
I have another channel. I'll come back and do another one with you. Okay. For
Okay,
another-
sounds
okay.
good.
All right. Thanks. All right. So here's the final one right here. Here's the most ugliest vehicle, but all right. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. I had the time of my life. They're fishing, as you can tell. They're trying.
Yeah, most of them now they changed the rules that
All right, guys.
has to be under
Boat show's next.